It has to be realized that the informal credit structure comprising of trade, business, commission agents, and indigenous bankers has been rendering valuable services since times immemorial to various sectors of the society and more particularly in rural and semi-urban areas. Stop. What is more, they occupied a place of pride due to personalized service to both clients and depositors, coupled with high efficiency and prompt service at low overhead cost. Stop. Even though greater percentage of information credit structure is unsecured biz. The bank credit which is mostly secured, the default is very low. Stop. Despite substantial expansion of bank branches not only of the nationalized banks but also the national rural banks and the cooperative banks, the informal credit market continues to serve the increasing needs of the internal trade industry and commerce of the country, which highlight its viability and indispensability. Stop. Even in developed countries like USA, informal and non-banking commercial credit markets operate without being subjected to close customary and legal regulation characteristic of commercial banking and its variants. Stop. In such circumstances, instead of destroying such informal credit structure, it would be quite useful to revitalize and reinvigorate it. Stop era. I am grateful to the Board of Governors, Director, and members of the staff of this Institute of Technology for having invited me to perform the opening ceremony of the building of the institute this evening. Stop. Being a teacher myself, it is always an encouraging and stimulating experience for me to meet young men and women, students and teachers who are engaged in the exciting pursuit of knowledge and discovery. Stop. It makes me feel happier and younger. Stop. I shall always carry with me the fragrant memory of the pleasant time I have spent in your midst this evening. Stop. I have been impressed by the considerable thought and hard work that has gone into the design and construction of this building, which I have had the pleasure to inaugurate. Stop. It had beauty without pomp and show and is eminently functional. Stop. It is designed to meet all the present requirements of the institute and also to provide for further expansion without upsetting the general pattern. Stop. Its cost has been kept significantly low and the speed and efficiency with which it has been constructed deserve admiration. Stop. I was also happy to learn that most of the execution has been done departmentally without any contractors. Stop. In the present position of our resources, we cannot spend heavily on buildings, much less on middlemen's profits or ornamental features which have little educational significance stop. I therefore welcome the emphasis laid in the planning and construction of this building on functional utility, simplicity, and economy stop. I wish we could carry this emphasis still further in all our future constructions stop para. The development of modern industry has been one of our significant achievements in the post independence period stop. We have started several new industries and expanded older ones, and this has enabled us to reduce imports to meet increased internal demands and to promote exports in certain sectors. Stop in this as well as in building up of the defense potential. Our programs for the development of technical education have made a significant contribution. Stop in spite of the heavy weather into which these plants have recently run owing to a period of recession through which we are passing. Stop. I regard them as one of the more successful areas of our educational planning. Stop. In the last 20 years, we have expanded most of the old engineering colleges because a bigger institution tends to be more economic and efficient, and also opened new engineering colleges. Stop para. In the development of higher education, the essence of the strategy lies in creating through concentration of human and material resources a few centers of excellence where the highest standards possible are maintained. Stop. These centers are then utilized for producing high quality teachers, text books, and other materials. Stop.